Hey there, welcome. If you've ever wanted to make your Mailchimp emails feel more personal, like you're talking directly to each subscriber, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to automatically add first names to your emails in Mailchimp. It's a small change, but it really makes your emails stand out and connect on a deeper level with your audience. Let's jump right in and I'll walk you through step by step. First up, let's head over to Mailchimp. So just open your browser, go to Mailchimp.com and log into your account. If you're already logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Now, the reason you need to start here is that all your campaigns, those email blasts you send out, are managed right from this control center. Think of it as your mission control for email marketing. Once you're inside Mailchimp, scan the menu on the left-hand side and select the Campaigns tab. This section is where all your emails and marketing messages live. Whether you've sent campaigns before or this is your first one, you'll be able to see everything here. If you have several campaigns, don't worry, you can always search or scroll to find the right one. Now we want to start fresh, so click on the button that says Create Campaign. This is where the magic begins. Choosing to create a new campaign gives you a blank slate, so you won't have to edit an existing campaign and risk making unwanted changes. From here, you'll see several different campaign types, but for today's tutorial, select Email. This is perfect if you want to send newsletters, promos, or any kind of email update. Once you've selected Email, it's time to customize your message. This step is all about making the email truly yours. After you name your campaign and move to the content editing screen, look for the Edit button on your chosen email. Click this and Mailchimp will open up all the parts of your email for you to tweak. Now here's the step where we add that personal touch. Find the section labeled to This is where you choose your audience, but it's also where you can personalize how each email appears to your recipients. In the To field, you'll notice an option that says something like Personalize the To field. Go ahead and check or enable this option. What this does is let you tell Mailchimp to insert each recipient's first name automatically instead of just showing their email address. It's like addressing a letter by name instead of Dear, much warmer and more engaging. This is the key part. You'll see a prompt for a merge tag. Type in fname. Don't worry if you're unfamiliar with merge tags. They're simply special bits of text that Mailchimp swaps out with real data from your subscriber list. In this case, FNAME stands for first name. So when your campaign goes out, each person will see their own name instead of that generic greeting. Imagine opening an email that says, Hi Sarah versus Hi there. It just feels friendlier and more genuine. Once you've double-checked that you've entered the correct merge tag, make sure to hit Save. This step is easy to overlook but absolutely essential. Think of it like jotting down an important note. If you forget to save, all your careful work could be lost. And that's it. You've now set up Mailchimp to automatically add first names for each person you're emailing. It literally takes just a few minutes, but it makes a world of difference in how your emails come across. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about Mailchimp or email personalization, drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to power up your digital marketing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.